Hi, I'm Kevin Dee. I'm the design director at EVERGOODS, and I wanted to introduce to you today the ELEMENT Bifold Wallet. We've talked a bit in the past that ELEMENT is our new product line that is basically a platform for EVERGOODS to develop new materials, look at new construction techniques, and just kind of think a little bigger and color outside the lines a bit. So we've taken that approach and worked it into a wallet form. This uses our ELEMENT fabric. It's custom developed for us. And one of the goals here was to make this sort of a fully kitted out bifold wallet, but be very thin, very svelte, and very elegant. So this is assembled fully with RF welding. There's no sewing in this. It's all radio frequency welded and bonded. There's a cash slot for your cash. There's 2 card slots that go each direction, fold over. This entire product actually is made from one piece of material that's been laser cut and folded and welded together. So these card slots, because they fold back around right in the corners, they're able to expand to accept more cards when you've got more cards in there. But also when the wallet is empty, it's able to be as thin as it possibly can be with these thicknesses of materials. This is our ELEMENT fabric. It's custom made for EVERGOODS. We start with the weave that we use in the lining of our products and also as the shell on our mountain products. It's a 420D balanced woven nylon. In black color, it is solution dyed. So that textile gets woven at the mill. Before it's finished, it's sent to another vendor where it's laminated with this TPU coating. We did extra work and development with the finisher to get this gray. So the TPU is the standard gray that is the EVERGOODS kind of interior signature color. The face of the fabric then gets a really light polyurethane kiss coat, which makes it gluable and weldable. The tolerances on this product are super tight. Even here where all the little pieces come together, all of the edges had to match up perfectly and then get bonded together so that there's no gaps or creases, so that the surface of this product is just kind of monolithic and beautiful. So in order to achieve those really tight tolerances and sort of perfectly folded edges here, there's quite a bit of tooling involved. So this is a small product, but there is a lot of engineering and expenditure on tooling so that when this product goes to production, it's fairly automated and all the tools are very tight tolerance and keep everything just in the right place for the kind of the precision and the beauty that I think makes this product really beautiful. At the ends here, the whole wallet is folded and assembled and then finished with a nice end weld, similar to our flat pouch. So this end is just a nice finishing weld, and then the whole thing is laser cut to very tight tolerance and lets the edges of the wallet come together in a really thin way. Even when you receive this out of the package, even the finished fold and look of this has a tool associated with it. So when this is done being manufactured, it's a flat object. There's tools associated to create this bend and heat it and get it to just fold beautifully like this, so that when you receive it, it's as gorgeous as it can be. So we're really sweating the details here, and this may seem like a simple product, but it is elegant and beautiful, and it requires quite a bit of engineering, and I think it shows in the finished product. One of the goals or the purposes of the ELEMENT line is to, as I mentioned, push this materials in construction. We thought that a wallet would be a great project. I mentioned the amount of tooling involved, some of the automation involved. This felt like a product that was sort of small enough and contained enough to really dig into that type of problem and that type of work in a way that the kind of the beauty and the elegance would really shine through, and that we could be achievable kind of in the early stages of Element here. I also am fond of wallets. I personally just like carrying and using cash. This also was a project that appealed to me. And then too, just the little moves about sort of you know, making these card slots be able to be variable dimension, and getting this thing to fold and not bind and still lay flatly with different amounts of cards or cash in it. These are just like fun engineering problems to solve. So using the patterning that's a little bit variable has helped us to keep this wallet just as thin and low profile as it can be. So we'll just load it back up real quick. For logo treatment, we wanted to keep this product just kind of like subtle and elegant. Our logo is just a little laser etched portion on the lower corner there, which shows our mark. It's thin, it's beautiful. It's the ELEMENT Bifold Wallet.